Okay, I'm here with another review video, and this one's going to be interesting because they lied. So this is a Black& Decker. Let me pull this up here because I'm very upset. And the reason I'm so upset is I got a lot of stuff I want to put away. So part of the thing is I purchase things based on what they say they do. So on this one, this storage is 3 parts. I'm only going to bring up one for you here. And it's rolling. So originally, I have the Elgato Prompter XL. And those of you know, it's pretty expensive. I mean, like very expensive. Because if you go get some like a teleprompter from Glide Gear or something, I mean, that's anywhere from $99 to $199. So you can buy 3, 4 of those for the price of this. Now I know Newer has something out to rival the original prompter, but yeah, whatever. But here's what I know, and it's got me, as the young folks say, messed up with an F. I'm sitting here, and I bought this based upon the stats that they put on the Amazon here. So, like, look at this. And I also just got the Godox new package because I'm upgrading my studio, and it was going to hold those too. So I measured my prompter XL, went by the measurements they have here on this Black & Decker Beyond by Black & Decker. I guess it's a lower thing. I'm not worried about the quality. It's the size and the fact that a lot of people may have bought things based on what they needed. So like right now, this particular box here, which is one of the 3 in the Beyond by Black & Decker series, they all stack up on each other. So I can now put all of my equipment in one thing and put it away in between my filmings. Especially if I'm just filming once a week or something. I don't have, this is my family room. I don't have to just take it up. So I'm looking here. So this one here is supposed to be 10 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 15.75 inches, or 15 3/4 inches on a tape measure. Got one right here. In size, which my plan was to put three Godoxes in here. Let's look at some size. So let's look. Well, it's not most important for me. It's most important. Let's look at the depth. The one that's supposed to be 15 3/4. Oh, by the way, when somebody goes, well, they're talking about this. No, they're showing it from the base. And I know that inside is going to be a little bit smaller, but let's go from the base, because that's where they show it at. From the base, it's 10.5 inches. Let's look at the width, because, it's supposed to be 20 inches wide. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt and put these little bumps here. Hold on. You see the little bumps that stick out like this? I'm going to put that in there too. It was 19 inches on the outside from where they're showing in the picture. Let's look at the height. The height may be the only one that they're telling the truth on, although for the other one they didn't. But let's go from this very bottom, which is nothing but, nothing, to the top. It's supposed to be 10 inches. They may hit that one. That's the only one they told the truth about. And again, this is a 1/2 inch of useless space. It's just a lip. Now, I don't have any problems with the height on this particular one. But to sit there and try to put 3 Godoxes in here, so let's see. We've already said it was 18 or 18 and a half or 19. So interior wise, you know, it's going to be smaller, but also they have an interior box to put stuff. And you know what? I think they put the real measurements on the box, on the interior little thing. I'll show this to you because the interior shows it's 9 inches deep, which in a way kind of matches here. Didn't even notice that, you know. Then again, they don't show it. Hold on, let me see. Do they show any of the boxes with the little interior tray? It says it's a tray. No, they don't show it inside any of them, so maybe it fits in all of them. But that actually matches. So they were way off. Like even if I use the Godox here, I'm gonna get out here. With everything, it's 6 inches wide, so 6 times 3 is 18, so they should fit in there. And Godox is, with the handle, just at about 10 and a half, which means, you know, possibly it could fit in here. Let's see here. Oh, there's the little tray. And the tray, they said, is 9 inches deep. It's actually 10 inches deep. So, oh, wait a minute. That's the interior. The exterior of that tray is 10 3/4. They show the exterior as being 9. They just made all these up. They said it was 19 inches wide. I'm going to pull this tray out. Here's the little tray. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Exterior, 10 3/4. They said it was 9. Said it was 19 inches wide. It's 13, just under a half. I don't know if you can see it. They show it there. And let's see, they said it was an inch deep. It's 2 inches high, or whatever, deep. Yeah, height. So all of the measurements were wrong on this. This is deeper, or height-wise, more than it was supposed to be. Actual depth is deeper, and the width is less. Let's look at the interior of this thing. 10, and from the worst parts of it, we're going to call it 10 1/4. So let me see if it'll fit a Godox. No, it will not fit my Godox. And it was supposed to be 15 3/4. Like again I said, not even close. I'm sitting here doing it from this little handle thing out here, and it's still not 15. So that's messed up. But at least I could have put 3 of them in here, which was my plan, because I got 3 of it from that new 3-pack on Amazon. And my Elgato Prompter is well within, you know, when I measure it. Hold on, I won't stand up here, you can see my back. So like it's 15, and we're going to call it a half. We're going to add it up. Okay, it could fit in there width-wise, but depth-wise, no way. Height-wise, for that one, the big one, it would have fit, but the depth is not there as promised. This was a $120 product. $120. Now, I'm going to get away from the measurements and everything, and we're just going to talk about quality. I'm going to say the quality of the plastic is actually pretty good. It's got these little snaps here. It's modular. They stack on top of each other. They got the 3 sizes, but it's not as big as they say. And that's got me really messed up because I needed to store my prompter, and I didn't want to put it back in the box, you know. But I wanted something, a nice hard case, so I could also like carry it if I'm doing something off-site. I just can't believe they did that. So this is Beyond by Black+Decker. I'm going to be at best. The thing's got 2,123 likes, and it's a 4.7. I would say if I did not have to put something in there that was pre-measured, I would give it a 3.7. I mean a 4.7. I would say that. It is really nice. In all honesty, I say it's an $80 product, not $120. But I'm going to just, I don't know. and it was the biggest one I could find to do what I wanted. So I'm not going to be able to put my prompter in there. I mean, between everything, I could fit the Godox lights, I guess. And I need to do a separate one because the Godox, it's a longer story. I probably have to do another video on it, but I'm upset on, not upset, but I have the LA300, what's that, G or whatever, the, no, R. And it came in such a nice case. There was no case for the LE300Bis. I couldn't believe it. Trying to upgrade my little suite here. So that is what I got. I am not a happy camper. I'm going to give this 3 stars. I should check to see if anyone else mentioned thing is not even the right size. See if I can find another one or something that's deep enough. Oh, that's just ridiculous. Bad. I mean, just to put bad size. How hard is it to measure something you're selling for $120? Anyway, I'm done with this. I may make another one tonight. It's not even night. Today. And try to just show you this kit I got from Godox on Amazon. It took 2 weeks to get here when it was supposed to be here in 2 days. So I'm not happy about that either. My review of the Beyond by, you know what, let's make this a better review. And we'll put it in the middle, maybe. I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like, okay? I'm going to have to go to the camera. Go mobile, you're going to see a bunch of junk. Okay, so here's what it looks like. This is the bottom portion. It's got the handle and everything. There's no top for it. So this one right here, I guess is the top for it. And when you put it in right, it should snap, hopefully. There it is, all in. Put this handle down. It's got the top one here, same thing. And it's got the same little lock thing here, so I guess they must have figured you could mix them around or put a different one on top. So overall, this is sturdy. But I'm sorry, lying about the size. I mean, look at this. It's supposed to be 15 inches deep. I do this with my hand, it ain't 15 inches. Yeah, so I'm disappointed by that. Okay, there it is. That's what we got for it. It's okay. I'm probably gonna return it. I don't know what I can put in it. I mean, I could still put stuff in it, I guess, but $120 when that was depending, you know, so for a nice case for my Prompter XL, I just can't do it. I'm getting sick and tired of these merchants on Amazon not measuring or giving bad measurements. It's really a disservice because one, you know, I had finished my filming series and I wanted to put this stuff away. This came finally. I was like, hey, I could put all of my stuff away, just roll it out, and then roll it out when I have a film series to do. So, yeah, it's going to get 3 stars from me tonight. And that's all I got to say. That's all I got to say about that.